Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, stability control, backup camera, trip odometer, trip computer, daytime running lights, tachometer, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.